Let's build a 3D animated site using Google Anti-Gravity. We're gonna build a premium site for a car brand and another premium site for an orange juice brand. First, let's ask Google Gemini to create a beautiful photo of an electric car. It should be an SUV and should have a black background, no specific brand. Here is our SUV photo. Let's download the photo and move on. Now, let's take the photo to Google Whisk. Just search Google Whisk and click on the first result and you're gonna land on this interface. Well, here click on Enter the tool. Inside Whisk AI, especially where there is subject, upload the photo and then ask Whisk AI to create a photo of a car, mainly with the wheels, battery, and bare frame as if it was being manufactured. Whisk AI has given us 2 photos. I like the first one the most. I can work on it to have the one that I want. Let's click on it and ask Whisk AI to edit it. Let's ask it to make the battery thinner and remove the debris surrounding it. Honestly, at this stage, it took a little bit of back and forth, but at last I created this photo. Now, let's create a JSON prompt in ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and click on GPTs. Just search JSON prompt generator and choose this one. Let's upload the first photo and the last photo. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to generate a JSON prompt for creating a video in Viewer 3. Let's tell it that the first car will be the first frame and the second car will be the last frame. Let it create the prompt. Inside Google Viewer 3, upload the first photo as the first frame and the last photo as the last frame. Now, let's copy the JSON prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in Google Viewer 3 and click Generate. Here's our first video.
Engineered from the inside out. Power redefined.
Honestly, I don't like this video. We can do way better than this. Just so you know, if you want to create a stunning 3D animated site, you need to generate a stunning video at this level. If your video sucks, your site is gonna suck as well. So let's go back to ChatGPT and let's just say no person's voice, and the video should immediately start with the removal of the wheels, the seats, and everything else before exposing the frame. Looks like ChatGPT has given us the prompt. Let's copy the prompt to Google Viewer 3. Let's upload the first frame and the last frame and then paste the prompt and hit generate. And here's the video that I got. It's not the best, but I can work with it. Now that we have animated video like this, let's turn it into a sequence of photos that you can use on our site. For this one, let's go to Google and search MP4 to JPG converter. Let's click on easygif.com. In retrospect, at this point, I wish I edited the video in CapCut to remove the Viewer 3 word down here. Anyways, click on Convert to JPG and
upload the video to SGIF.
And go ahead and click Do Not Display Images. I just want a zip file. This way, EastJF is gonna generate a sequence of images from the video. It's gonna be wrapped in a zip file. Now let's go to Claude AI and let's ask Claude AI to give us a prompt for generating a 3D landing page of a car brand. Let's tell it that the hero section should have a scroll effect created from a sequence of photos. Now let's extract the files, preferably in local disk D, and when it's done, copy the prompt from Claude AI and paste it in a vibe coding tool of your choice. In my case, or in this video, we're gonna use Google Anti-Gravity. You may also use Kesa AI at this point. Before you click Generate in Google Anti-Gravity, make sure you copy the extracted files from wheresoever you put them and paste them inside Google Anti-Gravity. Or you can just give a direction of where your files are. For clarity's sake, if you want to create a 3D animated site, mostly the code will be in Next.js. Most vibe coding tools will be able to install automatically and you may only need to confirm. Otherwise, if you want to do it manually, first you need to install Node.js. Just go on Google and type Node.js and install it. Once you have installed Node.js, open the vibe coding tool of your choice. In my case, let's open Google Anti-Gravity. Click on this symbol. This one is gonna open in Terminal. Inside Terminal, make sure you run this command: npx create the next app at latest, and then configure everything. Probably you start with naming your app and the rest are pre-built. Anyways, it looks like our 3D landing page is done. Let's take a look. Again, in a retrospective, I think we should have removed the viewer 3 log right here before uploading it to EasyGIF to create a sequence of images.